Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on Google Pixel 8. So first up, open the Google Wallet. Click on this button right here in the right bottom corner and click on Add a loyalty card. Choose a loyalty program you want to add a loyalty card of. For example, Leviathan. You can scan it by your phone by centering a barcode in this frame, or you can enter manually by a member ID on your card. So basically that's it. That's how you add a loyalty card to Google Wallet. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.